Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Basically no major change. I've made a few changes to the subdivisions of the move to the downside here, but I did announce before that I may make a few adjustments on the lower time frames because multiple interpretations are possible here. I did count it before as a 1-2-1-2 setup. I'm now counting it as an ending diagonal, something that I talked about before. But it doesn't have an impact really on downside targets. At the moment, my view is still that we are here in this wave 2 correction. Support for this scenario goes all the way down to 1533. I'm looking at this as an ABC, and basically we're now in the C wave. That's the assumption. The beating to the downside should continue. And I'm watching for that C wave to be completed very, very shortly. So we might get one more drop today. I mean, not guaranteed, but it would be nice to fulfill that C wave a little lower. Ideally, that's sort of what the Fibonacci extension levels tell us. So just to take you through the C wave to the downside here, that's wave C of wave 2. We have a 1-2 setup, which topped on Sunday at around 1942, and we are now in the third wave down. The third wave consists of an A, B, C structure, where we're now in the C wave. We can calculate an ideal target for the C wave by taking the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave, and then we're looking for the 1.618 extension, because the 1-to-1 ratio is reached. I mean, it could be finished here. We've also reached the 50% Fib level, but I can tell you that I don't see enough of a reaction to say we are already in the fourth wave. Okay, so for now, the focus remains further on the downside for now. And we need to break, obviously, today's swing low, which was here at around 1744, to indicate that we continue with the C wave down. And then we have next support at 1688, roughly at 1690. Okay, very, very important. That would then be the target for the C wave of the third wave. We can also calculate the target for the third wave in a different way, in that we take the length of the wave 1, we go to the high of the wave 2. And also here, if I'm looking for the 1.618 extension, it takes me to 1690. So there seems to be some Fibonacci confluence at 1690. So when we have all of that complete, then we should get that wave 4 bounce and the wave 5 down. At the moment, therefore, I think that the beating should continue. However, if we break above the last swing high, which was here at 1802, 1803, then I think we're already in the fourth wave. Yeah, and so there is not too much more to add at the moment. Generally, focus remains on the downside. Even if we get a bit of a bounce in a wave 4, that should be rather shallow. Certainly should certainly stay below 1937 in the end. Yeah, this wave 4, and shouldn't actually get close. That would be quite strong. But yeah, you know, there is nothing at the moment that would point me towards, okay, a direct breakout to the upside. We are here in a local downtrend. From that point of view, no change. I gave you some further targets to the downside. And at the moment, I don't think this move is over. What I think could happen is that on the weekend, we are working on this fourth wave. But at the moment, it doesn't indicate that the third wave is complete yet. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.